Are you sick of plastic? Is it everywhere? Or we all know it's just bad for the environment, right? Single-use plastic is literally one of the worst things for our environment, and according to many, it's one of the bigger contributors to global warming. Now, whether you believe in global warming or not, I don't know, but what we can say is here at Angel Water, what we do is we have a lot of water. We brought it from all over the world, and it does bother us because most of it is in plastic containers. Now, if you want to be able to get rid of plastic containers, if you want to stop being a contributor to this problem and now become a solution to the problem, what we have now is systems that are countertop drinking water systems, where we can literally purify our own water and take the toxins out of the water, store it in a stainless steel container, and then take that with you, kicking the plastic water bottle habit. Now, we also have different drinking water systems that go under the kitchen sink as well. So if you want something because you own the home and you want to have something that's a little bit more permanent, that would be an under sink drinking water system that would be NSF 58 certified. That way we know we're taking almost all the toxins out of the water. You also, if you're a renter, you live in a condo, or let's say you have no space under the sink, we have a great PureSure countertop drinking water system that will work perfect for you and your family. So if you've got questions about making your family more healthy, if you have questions about how you can kick that plastic water bottle habit, if you've got questions about how you can make the environment more healthy, reach out to me, send me a message, leave me a comment, and or always feel free to contact me. As you know, I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.